I'd have to be like super blacked out from drinking a lot or something for me to sleep with my makeup. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight we are getting unready. Well, you guys are watching me get unready. So if you guys would like to see me get unready and take off the makeup, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, and let's get right into the video. All right, you guys, so I actually filmed one of these and unfortunately the footage got deleted, but it's okay. So I'm filming one again for you guys today. In that one I actually even prepped my hair for a hair wash because I was gonna wash it the next day because I used so much gel that day that I had to wash my hair the day after. In this one I'm not gonna prep my hair, but I'm gonna take down my hair from these space buds because I'm not gonna sleep with this. But first, I had a long day of content creating, so I'm gonna treat myself to a Ferrero Rocher. Ferrero Rocher. I love these chocolates. They're so good. They were just over there staring at me, so I'm like, all right, I'm gonna have one. Gosh. Now that that's out the way, I'm just gonna put these two little curls back. And the first thing I'm gonna do, since I have these rhinestones on my eyelids, is I'm gonna peel them off. It doesn't hurt at all. It's just glue. Like, I don't know, it just doesn't hurt. I just felt the need to tell you it doesn't hurt because it might look painful since I'm just peeling it off, but yeah. I can just start or wait till I wipe down my face, but there's something oddly satisfying about actually peeling them off. For me, not you guys probably looking at it, but for me, it just feels like, I don't know, something oddly satisfying about just peeling it off. So that's what we doing. All right, they're all off on this side. Now I'm just gonna continue on this side. It's so cute. I hate, like, honestly, the worst thing about doing a cool makeup look or a makeup look that you really love is the fact that eventually you're gonna have to take it off anyway. I know some people sleep in their makeup and stuff, probably because they like their look so much sometimes, or sometimes they just get lazy. I've literally heard girls say that sometimes it's because they just like the look so much. But honestly, y'all, that's not good. I can't ever sleep with my makeup, man. I'd have to be like super blacked out from drinking a lot or something for me to sleep with my makeup. But no, I just can't do that. Anyway, next thing I'm gonna do is peel off my lashes. Boom. Ooh. Sometimes taking off your lashes do hurt. I'm not even gonna lie about that. It's annoying. And then I put them back in their case if I decide that I'm gonna reuse them. These have a couple more uses in them until they're ready to be dumped. I do have to clean them though. How I take off my makeup is with these. I use the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, and I use the fragrance-free ones. I've used the regular ones, the all blue pack, but honestly, those have too much fragrance for me. And if you have sensitive skin and this is your jam, like you love these wipes, then just use the fragrance-free ones because they work just as good and they're not gonna cause you to break out or anything. I honestly noticed a huge difference when switching over to these makeup wipes. Another thing is that you don't wanna be too rough with your skin, because I remember when I first started doing like makeup heavily and my skin was breaking out, I used to be really rough with my skin. And even with the wipes, I used to be super rough with my skin. And I remember I used to think that it was the blue ones, like the regular wipes, but then I even used these, and my eyelids, I remember one time they got really red. So just try to be try to be as gentle as possible, and these wipes work really well. They take off all of your makeup. Like for me, this is the only thing that I use to take off my makeup, and obviously I cleanse my face after. And this is not sponsored at all. I know they've sponsored a couple of people before for using these specific wipes, but trust me, this is not sponsored, you guys. I would let you guys know if it were. I just really, really love these wipes, and honestly, I haven't come across any other wipes that work just as good as these, or better for that matter. And they take everything off. The only time that I'll struggle, oh gosh, you look crazy when you start taking off your makeup looking like this. But the only time that I struggle with taking something off, even with these wipes, is when I have like waterproof mascara. You definitely need something oil-based. Oh, that's another major difference I've noticed between the regular Neutrogena wipes and these fragrance-free ones. The regular Neutrogena wipes have like they're really, really oily, and that's just annoying to me. I guess the fragrance makes them really oily, I'm not sure, but these aren't that oily at all. When you put liner in your waterline, it's like you have makeup on for days after. It really feels that way anyway. I'm on my way, I'm coming. I sometimes use just one if I have light makeup on, but I have a lot of makeup. I had a lot of like foundation and eye makeup on, so I'm using two. I really make sure all the makeup is off my face, like every bit of it. Obviously, I'm gonna wash my face after this, but I don't know, I just like to make sure. The more I get off with the wipe, the more I get off when I'm washing my face, and the more likely that I have everything off. When I go over my eyelids a couple of times because of the glue and the liners, I try to be gentle. Sometimes I am too rough with my eyes still. Working at it. All right, and then I like to go around my edges, like my hair, because I get mad makeup, especially my sideburns and stuff. I get so much makeup around there. So I just go around the edges. And so after that, I typically go in, I'll take a shower and stuff, which I still have to take a shower and everything. I wash my face when I'm in the shower. So what I use for face wash is the Cetaphil or Cetaphil Gentle Foaming Cleanser, and this is for all skin types. This is really nice and gentle. It has no fragrance, and it's good for sensitive skin, which I have sensitive skin. So I like this. It's also fragrance free. I said that already, I think. I definitely recommend using this if you have sensitive skin. I'm not gonna show you guys washing my face and doing my whole skincare because that could be a whole nother video. I'm gonna talk to you guys about what I would typically do anyways though, but I'll wash my face with that. Depending on if I had a lot of makeup, like not like tonight, maybe just like a bunch, and I had it on for a long time, then I'll tone my face and I use a witch hazel toner, or witch hazel as a toner. If I didn't, and I just feel like my skin is just on the drier side and maybe I've cleansed it too much, because I do double cleanse, like I'll wash my face twice with this. Also, wait 1 second, if I don't use this, then I'll use the Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. That is also a very clean cleanser. It could be too harsh for some of you guys' skin though, so I recommend to, if anything, try it, and if you can use it, then use it, but if you're too sensitive to it, then you can dilute it with some water and it'll still work for you. So I'll use either or. And then I'll come in, and sometimes if I use a peppermint soap, then I don't have to use the witch hazel, because that soap is actually a lot more potent than this one is. So I'll use the toner depending. I know the toner is not necessarily like, it's just for your pores and stuff, but for me personally, because my skin gets really dry, especially because I have eczema and it's in the winter time and stuff, then I'll just listen to what my skin is doing. That's another thing, like that's a tip that I would have, is like you have to listen to your own skin. You have to see how your skin reacts, no matter who tells you what, a dermatologist, an esthetician, a doctor, no matter who tells you whatever, even like beauty gurus on YouTube and stuff. You have to listen to your skin, because you live with your skin every single day. So it really doesn't matter. Everything doesn't work for everybody, so they could have you on whatever regimen they feel like it's perfect or whatever it is. At the end of the day, you're the one that sleeps and wakes up in your skin. So listen to what your skin needs at the time, and again, if my skin needs a toner, then I'll use it. If I feel like no, then I'll skip it. And then these are the 2 ingredients that I use at night. Sometimes I use an eye cream. I don't use an eye cream all the time, if I'm being honest. Honestly, and that just comes from being a little bit lazy. That's pretty much all it is. Also, I use both of these products under my eyes and on my eyes anyways. So I'll go in with this oil first. And this is by Anise Beauty. It is anti-aging face oil with apricot and avocado. And this is a really good oil, all natural. So the oils in here are non-comedogenic and they're really, really good for your skin. I love this oil. I use this day and night. So I'll go in with that. If my skin is feeling like that's enough, then I'll leave it at that sometimes as well. If my skin needs extra hydration, which it has been needing extra hydration because winter months, I'll go in with this after, and this is the Pacifica Coconut Probiotic Technology Water Rehab Cream. It boosts hydration, fights skin hangover, coconut water and probiotic technology, and it's all for all skin types. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free. I found that this is also very, very clean, and it doesn't make you break out, and it's a really good moisturizer. Another thing I can use day and night. The eye cream I use, I don't have it with me. It's from Skin FX, and it's just their eye cream, their boosting eye cream. I'm gonna put some lip balm on while I'm talking to you guys. This is something I use at night as well. This is the Kiehl's lip balm #1. This is magic for your lips, honestly. If you have a lot of if you have dry or cracked lips, get this, wear it to go to sleep, and in the morning you're fine. Sometimes if I have left my makeup on all day, I'll also use a serum before I use this, and after toner. I forgot to mention it. It's from SkinCeuticals, and it is the C+ AHA serum, and sometimes I'll use that if I feel like my skin needs it. Whenever it just needs the extra, like, okay, I need something for my face to feel cleansed and good. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna start taking down these buns. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I also just received new skincare from a company, and I think I'm gonna start using that probably starting tomorrow. And I'll let you guys know if it's great. I'll review it for you guys. If it just ruins my skin, I'll also let you guys know. But if it's just mediocre, then I don't know if I'll even talk about it. But I had a lot of bobby pins in these space buns, and then I just had like 2 small scrunchies. I just washed my hair, I think, not yesterday, I think the day before yesterday. So this is like 3rd day hair. So it's still really nice and fresh and clean. I found that Eco Styler gel is a little bit like, it leaves a lot of white flakes in my hair, which sucks because I really love it. I'm still probably gonna use it, but I just noticed that it leaves a lot of white flakes in my hair. Yeah, so that's out. So yeah, I usually like to wash. I know some people can do their skincare like outside the shower and stuff like that, but I usually just wait till I get in the shower and just wash it in the shower. Like, I don't know, it just makes me feel better if I do that. So if I come out the shower and I haven't washed my face, then I'm like, ugh. Because you know, you gotta get everything to wash your face. Like, get your neck, all of that. Like, that's why I just like doing it in the shower. If you come out and you do that, I feel like I'll still feel dirty. I don't know. And then if I do it before I get in the shower, then I feel like I have to do it again because I'm in the shower. That's just how my mind works when it comes to like washing your face before or after a shower. Before or after a shower rather than during. But anyways, if I had a hairstyle like I did today, I'll just run my fingers to my scalp and just like give myself a scalp massage. You know? Honestly, I'll give myself a scalp massage either way. And usually I like to have my hair just, even if it looks crazy, I'll just have it out while I'm walking around the house because it doesn't need all that tension. But besides that, you guys, after my shower, I just do my skincare, moisturize my skin, and that's it. I'm pretty much done and ready to go to bed. But I hope you guys like this Get Unready with me. If you want a nighttime skincare routine, let me know in the comments down below and I'll get that to you guys. If you want a morning skincare routine, let me know in the comments down below. Honestly, it's kind of the same though. It might be a little bit different, but it's mostly the same. No, actually it's kind of different, kind of. But anyways, if you guys want those routines, let me know in the comments down below, and hope you guys have a good night if you're watching this at night, or a good day. And yeah, Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!